Hey, David. What a coincidence. I didn't expect to see you here.
Jake. Small world, huh? I usually do my grocery shopping in the evenings. What about you?
Same here. I just finished work and thought I'd grab some things. Do you shop here often?
Yeah, it's close to my apartment, and their vegetables are always fresh. What are you getting today?
Just some eggs, bread, and coffee. The basics. I need my morning coffee.
I get that. I can't function without coffee in the morning. Do you cook often?
Not as much as I should. I usually grab takeout. But I'm trying to cook more. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing. I make simple meals, though, mostly pasta, grilled chicken, and salads.
That sounds great. Maybe I should learn a few recipes from you.
Sure. We could have a cooking night at my place sometime.
That would be awesome. Let's plan it soon. All right, Chef David, what's on the menu tonight?
Nothing too fancy. We're making a simple spaghetti dish with homemade sauce.
Sounds delicious. What do I need to do?
You can chop the tomatoes while I boil the pasta. Have you ever made pasta sauce from scratch before?
Nope, I always buy it in a jar.
Fresh is way better. Trust me. Once you taste homemade sauce, you won't go back.
All right, I'm excited. So, do you always cook for yourself?
Mostly, yeah. But sometimes, I eat out with friends. It depends on my mood.
Same here, but I should really learn to cook more. This is fun.
It is. Cooking with friends makes it even better.
Thanks for inviting me to the gym, David. I needed this.
No problem. Exercising is a great way to stay healthy and relieve stress. Do you work out often?
Not as much as I should. I sit at a desk all day, so I know I need to move more.
I get it. A lot of people struggle with that. But once you make it a habit, it feels great.
Yeah, I just need to push myself. What's the plan today?
Let's start with some stretching, then do some cardio before lifting weights.
Sounds good, but go easy on me. I'm not used to this.
Don't worry, we'll start slow. You'll feel stronger in no time.
This place has a really nice vibe. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I like the atmosphere. It's a great place to relax or get some work done.
What do you usually order?
I'm a big fan of cappuccinos. But today, I got an iced latte. What about you?
I usually go for black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just strong coffee.
Wow, you must really love coffee.
Yeah, I do. I can't start my day without it.
Have you ever tried making coffee at home?
Sometimes, but I don't have one of those fancy coffee machines.
You don't need one. A simple French press or pour-over makes great coffee.
Maybe I should get one. I'd probably save a lot of money instead of buying coffee every day. I really need some new shirts. My old ones are getting worn out.
Yeah, it's good to update your wardrobe once in a while. What kind of style do you like?
Something casual but stylish. Nothing too fancy.
How about this one? It looks good.
I like the color, but I'm not sure about the fit.
Try it on. The fitting room is right over there.
Good idea. What do you think?
It looks great. It fits well and suits you.
All right, I'll get it. Thanks for helping me choose. So, any plans for the weekend?
Not sure yet. I was thinking of going on a short trip.
That sounds great. Where to?
Maybe the beach or the mountains. I just need a break from the city.
I totally get that. A change of scenery is refreshing.
What about you?
I might just relax at home, watch some movies, or read a book.
That sounds nice too. Sometimes, staying in is the best plan.
True. But now that you mention a trip, I kinda want to go somewhere too.
Join me. We could go together.
That's a great idea. Let's plan it. Wow, that was an amazing movie.
I know, right? The action scenes were intense.
And the story was really good. I didn't expect that twist at the end.
Yeah, it totally caught me by surprise. The actors did a great job too.
Who was your favorite character?
Probably the main hero. He was smart and brave.
Yeah, he was cool. And the special effects were awesome.
Definitely. We should watch more movies together.
Agreed. Let's pick another one for next weekend. Wow, you have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much I had until I had to move it all.
Well, at least your new place is nice. It's bigger than your old one.
Yeah, I really like it. The location is great too.
Do you need help unpacking?
That would be awesome. Thanks, man.
No problem. Where should I put this box?
Just put it by the sofa. I'll organize everything later.
All right. Moving is exhausting, but it's exciting too.
Yeah, I can't wait to settle in.
It's crazy how fast time flies. Do you ever think about where you'll be in 5 years?
Yeah, sometimes. I have a few goals I want to achieve.
Like what?
I want to start my own business someday. Maybe a cafe or a small shop.
That sounds amazing. You'd be great at that.
Thanks. What about you?
I want to travel more. There are so many places I want to see.
That's a great goal. Traveling opens your mind to new experiences.
Exactly. Hopefully, we both achieve our dreams.
We will. We just have to keep working towards them. So, this is it. You're really going on this big trip.
Yeah, it still feels unreal. I'm going to miss this city and our hangout.
Same here, man. But I'm happy for you. This is an adventure of a lifetime.
Thanks, and don't worry, I'll send lots of pictures.
You better. And we'll catch up when you're back.
Definitely. Take care, David.
You too, Jake. Safe travels.